Stop throwing away your kitchen scraps right now. If you have a lemon tree in your yard or in a pot on the balcony, you are sitting on a gold mine. Look at your tree at this very moment. Is it struggling to grow? Are the leaves turning a sickly shade of yellow? Or maybe it flowers beautifully every spring, but the fruits drop before they even grow? It is incredibly frustrating to put months of love and watering into a plant only to get zero rewards. But the secret to unlocking an explosive harvest of giant lemons is in your trash can right now. You do not need to spend a fortune on chemical fertilizers at the garden center. In fact, some of those industrial products can burn your plant's roots if you miss the dose. Today, you are going to learn the ultimate one-ingredient organic secret that will transform your lemon tree. It is a secret combination that professional growers have used for decades to multiply harvests. Before we prepare this magical mixture, we need to understand what your lemon tree is begging you for. Citrus trees are incredibly heavy and hungry feeders. They require a massive amount of energy to build green leaves and fragrant blossoms. After that, they need to pump those blossoms with water and nutrients to create heavy fruits. When a lemon tree lacks the proper elements, it instantly goes into survival mode. It simply drops its fruits because it does not have the strength to carry them to maturity. This is where our secret formula of just one potent ingredient comes into play. When you combine two simple wastes from your kitchen, they fuse into a single superfood. We are talking specifically about the powerful combination of eggshells and banana peels. Isolated, they are already great for the soil. But when they are together, they create an unstoppable force for your garden. Let us break down the first half of this homemade fertilizer, the humble eggshell. Every time you crack an egg for breakfast, you are holding pure calcium carbonate. Calcium is the literal backbone of your lemon tree. Imagine trying to build a heavy skyscraper without a strong steel frame.
It would collapse under its own weight. That is exactly what happens to a lemon tree without the necessary calcium in the soil. Calcium strengthens the cell walls and creates a much more robust trunk and branches. This allows the tree to support the weight of pounds of giant lemons without snapping. Furthermore, calcium plays a vital role in preventing blossom end rot in the fruits. If you have ever seen a lemon develop a black, soft spot at the tip, that is a lack of calcium. By introducing eggshells, you ensure that the fruits grow with smooth and perfectly healthy skins.
But calcium alone cannot make the fruits explode in size. For that, we need the second half of our secret weapon, banana peels. By introducing eggshells, you ensure that the fruits grow with smooth and perfectly healthy skins. But calcium alone cannot make the fruits explode in size. For that, we need the second half of our secret weapon, banana peels. When the lemon tree has an abundance of potassium, it transports sugars from the leaves directly into the fruit. This is what makes the lemon grow extraordinarily large, heavy, and incredibly packed with juice. Potassium also acts as a shield for your tree's immune system. It makes the plant highly resistant to sudden temperature changes, droughts, and pests. But you should not just throw the old peels underneath your tree. If you do that, you might attract unwanted pests and create harmful mold around the roots. There is a very specific and highly effective step-by-step method to prepare this mixture. Step 1 is the collection and careful cleaning phase of the eggshells. Always rinse the inside of the shells thoroughly with warm water to remove leftover egg whites. After that, leave the shells to dry on a clean plate or a baking sheet. For the banana peels, simply chop them into small pieces of about 1 inch. Step 2 is the essential process of total dehydration of the materials. You can leave them exposed to the hot sun for 24 to 48 hours. They will be ready when they turn completely black, hard, and very brittle. To speed things up, you can place them in the oven at a low temperature for 20 minutes. Step 3 is the phase of mechanical transformation of the ingredients. Place everything into a high-powered blender or a food processor. Blend until the mixture is completely pulverized into a fine and uniform powder. Turning it into powder is critical because it accelerates decomposition and absorption by the roots. The moment this powder touches moist soil, it begins to act immediately. Now that your miracle powder is ready, let us talk about the perfect application. First, walk out to your lemon tree and locate the so-called drip line. This line is the imaginary circle on the ground that matches the outermost edge of the branches. This is where the most active feeder roots of the tree are located. Clean that area by removing dry leaves, rocks, or weeds. Take about 3 to 4 tablespoons of your homemade miracle powder. Gently sprinkle the powder in a wide circle all along this line around the tree. Mix the powder into the top 2 inches of the soil with a small hand rake. Be very careful not to dig too deep and hurt the delicate surface roots. Immediately after mixing, give your lemon tree a deep and generous watering. The water will carry these newly released nutrients straight into the root system. In the following weeks, maintain a consistent and balanced watering schedule. You should apply this secret treatment once a month during the growing season. When the chilly winter months arrive, you can stop the applications entirely. Within just a few weeks after the first application, you will witness a stunning transformation. The pale and yellowish leaves will begin to deepen into a rich and glossy emerald green. Next, you will notice a massive explosion of new white flowers coating the branches. Your entire yard will be flooded with an incredible and sweet citrus aroma. The tree will hold on to these flowers tightly without letting the small fruits drop. Those green buds will expand week after week right before your eyes. In a short time, your tree will be completely loaded with giant yellow lemons. Imagine the pride of walking through the garden and picking a lemon the size of a grapefruit. You grew this using nothing but love and kitchen scraps that were going to the trash. You will cut it open in the kitchen and see the juice pour out in abundance across the board. This is the incredible power of working in perfect harmony with nature. You do not need expensive products or a complex gardening degree to succeed. All you need is the right knowledge and a little bit of patience. So start saving your eggshells and banana peels today. Turn your waste into pure gold and watch your lemon tree explode with life. Thank you so much for listening and following this complete gardening guide. Subscribe to the channel right now. Leave your comment below, and we will see you in the next video.